Look what we have here. We have automotive mechanical jewelry. This car is restored over the top. It's a 1957 Chrysler New Yorker. Look at them tail fins, the wheels, the color. This thing's amazing. Got a Hemi under the hood. I'm telling you, this was body off frame. Every nut and bolt, everything's restored like new or better. It has only 11 miles on it since it's been done. Go to volocars.com and you can look at pictures top to bottom, read the information about the car, and that is where you'll find the price tag along with a monthly finance option as well. That's all at volocars.com. And while you're there, if you decide you really love the car, you can hit that Buy It Now button, and that'll lock it up until you talk to a salesman. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, look at the type of cars we're getting in. That way you'll be notified when the next one's posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. But you gotta wipe your feet first. Yeah, so anyway, this car has had a 2,000-hour restoration. Body off the frame. The frame is painted gloss black. It's smooth. Every component, every cotter pin, nut, clamp, brake line, fuel tank, everything under there is restored spotlessly. The floors under the car are immaculate. They're painted like a satin black. You look up at the motor, it's spotless. This was the first year for the 3-speed torque flight automatic trans. Prior to that, there were 2 speeds. The rear end, the drive shaft, the springs, the shocks, everything under there is gorgeous. Has the correct dual exhaust system, has a muffler and a resonator. That's the way that these came. So everything under there is restored and restored factory correct. Now the body and paint, I highly doubt it was this good in 57. The body is absolutely pristine. Every inch of it is straight as an arrow. All the gaps are square and flush. There's no bubbling, there's no cracking, there's no shrinking, there's no body work showing. It is all amazing. And it's been done for a number of years, I was told, which really means it's proven itself. The hood, the gaps, everything is outstanding. Beautiful Indian turquoise it's painted. Every piece of chrome and trim is restored to show quality level, like this emblem looks brand new. The little bit of white inside the letters there is pristine. All the chrome, the grille, all restored beautifully. Got mirrors on both sides. They look like rockets. Any stainless was polished, smooth. But even the wiper arms, all of it. The glass is replaced. The gaskets are new. Even the vent window frames. Restoring a car like this is not like restoring your Mustang or Camaro. There's a lot of car here, and the parts are harder to get. Someone spent a fortune on this restoration. The door handles, the moldings. It has the white inserts here, painted white, beautiful. Look at the big tail fins. They actually call them stabilizers. And then each one has the antenna. It looks like the Jetsons, the antenna coming out of each one. Big old tail lights. And again, show quality chrome in detail, the emblems. All of this is pristine. This was their flagship model, the New Yorker. Everything, every screw, the little rubber bumpers, convertible top. It's a white top, that whole thing. The framework all restored, beautiful bright white top. We have the original hubcaps. We just bought these tires and wheels. They're brand new. They're radial white walls with the chrome wires. They sparkle, they look gorgeous. Those are brand new. We serviced the car. There's a little punch list of things we did. I think we rebuilt the car and fixed a few minor things, so this car is serviced. So, and we can just watch this go around for another 15 minutes, but why don't we open it up? Got a lot more good stuff to show you. This car is amazing, and I'm not done with you. You're going to still be amazed. You got a push button that opens the trunk, and just look at this. Look at the detail, the light works. You got the stickers, the weather strip. Now this is an actual carpet. This is the way they came with the liner kit on the side. Here's the jack assembly. It's restored. These are the hubcaps I was telling you about that go with it. Reproduction tire, never been used, all restored. Even has the wood block for when you jack the car up. but this is an immaculate trunk compartment. Yeah, you'll see 57 Chevys when you go to the car show. You pull in with this, you will be the star of the show. Anywhere. You don't even have to go to a car show. Go to dinner. You're going to have people just gawking over this. Look at the detail in the jambs. It's painted slick. All the hardware is polished. Weather strips are new. Door panels are beautiful. You notice there's power window switches right there. This is a push button transmission. That's actually your starter. It's a neutral, and you hit that when the key's on, and that's how you start the car. And then look at the knobs. Look at the gauges. 11 miles since it's been done. There's a clock here. This is the stuff that's expensive. You know, Mustang, you call up and you order new stuff. The dash pad is mint. It has the sticker on how to adjust the mirror. And this one here is the ashtray. How cool is that? And all the knobs, everything's beautiful. The light works. Kick panels, carpet, you know, it's all spotless. Seats, the upholstery, all redone. Front and back. The rear armrests, it's all beautiful. This is a power seat. You can see pictures of the top on our website. And then the steering wheel, just look inside there. I mean, where do you even begin to replace that or restore it? But you don't need to. Someone's done it all for you. Even up by the door hinges, the window frames around the door glass, everything's done. And that's a Hemi, 392 Hemi. I think it was 325 horsepower. Has the single 4-barrel carburetor. And again, every component, every bracket, the air cleaner, it's all completely restored. Has the Mopar sticker, has the washer fluid bag, the raw fiberglass heater box, the Paint OK stickers, all painted beautifully. Look at the front suspension, the motor itself, the right clamps, the right radiator. The generator's restored. Has a Mopar battery, power brakes, power steering. This is when I said this jewelry, it just sparkles everywhere. Max, I need your help. This one, I don't want to back into anything. All right, sit down, buddy. We have a can of the paint that this was painted with, so if you did need to touch it up, hopefully you won't. As of right now, there's no reason to touch anything up. Beautiful car. They only made 1,090. It's just under 1,100 of these were made total. Go to volocars.com. Salesman will help answer your questions, including getting this delivered to your door, financing it. That's if you go to volocars.com. If you enjoyed the videos, which I hope you did, subscribe, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified when the next one rolls in. Thanks for watching.